How to equip multiple hairs on Roblox. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that. First of all, let's open up our browser and simply head over to roblox.com. Or if you are using an app, it won't work, so you are going to have to use a browser. So once you've opened up your Roblox, what you need to do next is on the top left, you'll find the three lines. From here, you're going to have to head over to Avatar. So click on Avatar right here. Now you'll be shown your currently equipped items or hair. As you can see, I have few hairs here. So if I want to equip multiple hairs, I'm going to have to head over to head and body and then click on hair. Now once you do that, as you can see, only one hair is right now equipped. So let's say on top of this, if I want to equip this brown hair, I'm going to right click on it and then open a new tab. So open link, a new tab. And then here on catalog, you'll find this random number. This is a unique ID of this accessory. So you're just going to have to copy it. Then go back here. Now click on advance. And after that, you're going to have to paste that ID right here. So it's going to equip all of these IDs to your profile. So click on save and click on save again. And now wait for it to load. And as you can see here, the two here are overlapping each other, meaning that they both are equipped at the same time. If you want to add more, let's say if I just want to add this one, I'm going to right click on it, open a new tab, and then from here, copy this link. Then go back here and then click on advance. On this asset ID, paste it, and then click on save again. Click on save and it will override the look. As you can see here, you can equip up to 2 hairs at once. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.